Hi everyone, it's Saidam and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be taking your regular plastic skulls and making them a little bit more spooky. This has become my favorite way to decorate a skull for Halloween, and it's pretty easy to do. The first thing I did was make a wash, so combine black and brown acrylic paint and add some water. You want it to be a bit runny and not too thick. As you can see, I made this one too black, so I went back later and added more brown. Now we're going to take a brush and paint the skull in sections, making sure to get the paint in all the little crevices and edges. Then just dab it with a paper towel. You don't want to remove all of it, just enough so that the skull is stained and you can now see all the little cracks. We're going to do this to the whole skull and let it dry completely. Now we're going to add some soil to the skull, so I took some crafting or tacky glue and brushed it onto several parts. It's up to you where you want the dirt to go on. I usually fill up the eyes and try to have most of it on the face. I'm just using garden soil here and placing it onto the glue. You can also rub out the edges of these spots a little so that they look more natural. Once you are done with that, again we're gonna let it dry before moving on to the next step. The last thing we're doing is having the skull grow some moss. I'm using some decorative moss to give the final touches to the spooky skull. I use both hot glue and crafting glue for this. You can use whichever one is easier for you. They both work great, but I do think I was able to fill more gaps with moss using the crafting glue. And I didn't burn myself so much. Again, it is up to you where you want to place the moss and how much you want to cover. Just carefully press down the moss to make sure most of it is glued on. I use these skulls mostly to decorate the inside of my house with, and I only used one outside and it got caught in the rain and most of the paint came off, so I would say to keep these skulls away from elements unless you want to maybe apply some acrylic sealer to your skulls. I hope you have fun decorating for this Halloween, and make sure to like this video if you did, and subscribe because we're going to be making a lot more things in the future that I hope you'll enjoy. I'll see you in the next one.